Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Class 5. This is your maths lecture. Exercise number 1B. Today we will solve unit number 1, page number 7 and 8. And question number 7. Question number 7 is subtract the given numbers. Part A. Value of part A is 1,496,953 minus 205,343. First we will write solution, then we will solve the question. 3 minus 3 is equal 0. 5 minus 4 is equal 1. 9 minus 3 is equal 6. Student, 6 minus 5 is equal 1. 9 minus 0, 9. 4 minus 2 is equal 2 and 1. So the answer of part A is 1,291,610. Understand? This is the answer. Now part B. Value of part B is 45,647,329 minus 14,538,142. Now we will subtract. 9 minus 2 is equal 7. 2 minus 4. No, first we will take carry. Make 12. 12 minus 4 is equal 8. Here is 2. 2 minus 1 is equal 1. Understand? Now 7 minus 8. First we will take carry. 17. 17 minus 8. Student, 17 minus 8 is equal 9. 9. Here is 3. 3 minus 3 is equal 0. 6 minus 5 is equal 1. 5 minus 4 is equal 1. 4 minus 1 is equal 3. So the answer is 31,109,187. This is the answer. Understand? Now part C. The value of part C is 4,875,648 minus 1,232,573. Now student, we will subtract. 8 minus 7 is equal 1. 4 minus 3 is equal 1. 6 minus 5 is equal 1. 5 minus 2 is equal, yes student, 3. 7 minus 3 is equal 4. 8 minus 2 is equal 6. 4 minus 1 is equal, yes, 4 minus 1 is equal 3. So the answer of part C is 36. 3,643,111. This is the answer. Now part D. The value of part D is student, value of part D is 16,400,823. We will subtract 7,936,172. So 3 minus 2 is equal 1. 2 minus 7. No, first we will take carry. 12. 12 minus 7 is equal, student, 12 minus 7, 5. Here is 7. 7 minus 1 is equal 6. 0. Should we subtract 0? Should we subtract 6 from 0? No. First we will take carry. The next digit is also 0. Then we take carry from 4. Then make 10. 10 minus 6 is equal 4. Here is 9. 9 minus 3 is equal 6. Here is 3. We take carry 13. Now 13 minus 9. Yes student, 9 में से 13 minus, answer will be 4. Here is 5. Take carry, make 15. Here is 0. 15. 15 minus 7 is equal 8. Yes student, the answer of part D is 8,464,651. This is the answer. Understand? Now part E. The value of part E is 2,864,932 minus 1,418,725. 2 minus 5. No. First we will take carry. 12. 12 minus 5 is equal 7. Here is 2. 2 minus 2 is equal 0. 9 minus 7 is equal 2. 4 minus 8. First we will take carry. 14. 14 minus 8. Yes student, 14 minus 8 is equal 6. Here is 5. Here is 5. 5 minus 1 is equal 4. 8 minus 4 is equal 4. 2 minus 1 is equal 1. So the answer of part E is 1,446,207. 207. This is the answer of part E. Now part F. The value of part F is 50,100,032 minus 28,052,164. So 2 minus 4. First we will take carry. 12. 12 minus 4 is equal 8. Here is 2. Here is 2. 2 minus 6. No. First we will take carry. Yes. We will take carry. Make 12. 12 minus 6 is equal 6. Now here is 9. 9 minus 1 is equal 8. Here is also 9. 9 minus 2 is equal 7. Here is 9. 9 minus 5 is equal 4. Here is 0. 0 minus 0 is equal 0. Take carry. 10. 10 minus 2 is equal, 10 minus 8 is equal 2. Here is 4. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal 2. This is the answer, and answer is 22,047,868. Understand? Student, now question number 8. Question number 8 is solve this sum using the international system. And part A, find the difference between the 8 greatest digit number and the greatest 5 digit number. Student, difference. Difference means we will subtract greatest 5 digit number from 8 greatest digit numbers. Understand? And I have already told you greatest digit number. Student, 8 greatest digit number. First we will write solution. Then we will write greatest 8 digit number is equal 99,999,999. Next step is greatest 5 digit number. That is 99,999. Understand? So the difference is 9 minus 9 is equal 9 में से 9 माइनस कीजिए 9 minus 9 is equal 0 0 0 0 and 0. Next 9 9 and 9. This is the answer, and answer is this is the answer, and answer is 99,900,000. 99,900,000. Understand? Next step, part B. From the smallest 8 digit number, subtract the greatest 6 digit number. First we will write solution, and then smallest 8 digit number is equal. Yes students, smallest 8 digit number is equal. Tell me. That is 10 million. That is 10 million. Now we will subtract greatest 6 digit number. 0 minus 9. No. First we will take carry. Yes. Then we will subtract. Here is 10. 10 minus 9 is equal 1. Here is 9. 9 minus 9 is equal 0. Here is also 9. 0. 9. 0. 9. 0. 9. 0. 9. Yes student. So the answer will be 9,000,001. So student, answer is 9,000,001. Understand student? Today's your home task is practice question number 7 and question number 8 on register of exercise number 1B and page number 7 and 8. Student, if you have any problem in any question, so you can ask me in question answer session. Thank you. Take care of yourself Allah Hafiz, stay home and stay safe.